Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Happy Mask Monday. And yes, I do have a mask for you today. And today I will be working with the DRMTLGY Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. And I know you guys have heard of it. Many of the creators love this product, especially Stephanie, Opinionated Horsewoman. And I love it too. And the reason why I'm using this one before, even though I've used it before, is because my skin just feels like it needs to shed some layers, you know what I mean? So if you're interested in seeing what this is about, and also I have put in a clip of the winner for the anniversary sale video as well. So if you're interested in those two things, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Here I am. I have been busy as a bee today, but I have had a day, and I'm going to tell you about it after I put on my mask. And then also I'm going to reveal the winner from the anniversary sale. You remember the word anniversary? So yeah, and I do have to apologize in the beginning because part of the video is like blurred on the one side, and I realized I put my camera, actually not my camera, but my phone on a stand, and it was kind of overlapping the camera, and so you can see everything, the winner and all, but it's just like this thing on the right hand side. It's just annoying, but because I didn't know how to fix it, and there's no way really to fix it, and I didn't want to have to repick another winner after I picked the winner, because that wouldn't be fair, and so I got ahead and left it like that, and I hope you guys don't mind, okay? All right, before we get started, I do have my pumpkin enzyme mask, but as usual, let's do our affirmation or the quote for the day. And today, as you notice, I think this one would have went up after my Christmas in July winter reveal. I hope so, because that went up at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which would be like 8 a.m. Eastern time, right? Eastern Standard Time. And so I hope you guys saw it because I did choose the winner for that one. And now, I digress. Okay, I like this one today because I'll tell you why in a minute. There you go. It's got pretty flowers. I always love it when there's flowers on these. But hard to read on this one though because it's white on white. Start today, do it. If you make a mistake, you can start over. Okay, start today. Just get started. Just do it. And if you make a mistake, you can start over. And that's so true. There's very few things in life, though, when you make a mistake that you can't start over. You make a big enough mistake where you get yourself killed, and you're not going to get to do it over again, okay? It is the way it is, okay? Nobody can change that but God, okay? But many other things you can, right? Sometimes there's some exceptions. You can't say everything and nothing in life because somebody's going to prove you wrong at one point or another. But this one really hit home with me today because, yeah. Well, let me put on my mask as I tell you about it, okay? Anyway, so today I actually had to go to the mall and I spared my husband of it because I needed to get a suit. I think I mentioned that in one of my other videos. And the reason why I had to get a suit is because at the last minute I was told that I will be meeting and speaking with the senior leaders of our regional offices. And that was on Friday. Oh no, that was on Thursday. And I have no suit. Because why? While I was remote for 2 years during COVID, I gave away all my suits. Why would I do that? Because I was actually thinner back then. And actually I was thinner during COVID than I was after COVID. I don't know why that is. Maybe because all the restaurants opened up again. Who knows? But anyway, yeah. And so I gained quite a bit of weight, and I'm not happy about that. And this is the part where, you know, if I make a mistake, just live my day and just fix it. Well, I've been having a real hard time doing that. It seems like summer is really hard for me to lose weight because all the fresh vegetables, fruits, and all those things are out there, and it's really hard. And my problem isn't that I eat the wrong things because I don't usually eat junk food, But I eat too much of it because I'm thinking, oh gosh, this is going to be gone in the winter. I got to eat it all now. I mean, because it's going to be gone forever. I don't know what I'm thinking. But, you know, I eat too much of it. And also, when my husband cooks, he's used to cooking for a big family. You know, he comes from a family of like 12. And so when he cooks like that. And I don't like wasting. So what do? I overeat. Yeah, not his fault because I can always say no and save some stuff for later. But I don't know. I was raised with my dad, said you have to eat everything on your plate. And so, yeah, if you put like that on my plate, I'm going to eat it all. It's just a habit that I've had my whole life. So unfortunately, what is the outcome? I gained a lot of weight. I mean, a lot of weight. And so, you know, my suits wouldn't fit me anyway. So that's okay. And then so I went to the mall today. And I wanted to spare my husband of that. So I said, I'm going to go by myself. You do what you're going to do. Of course, I come home and he cleaned the whole house. That's not what I meant. But anyway, he did that. And so I went to a couple of different stores. I usually like to shop at White House Black Market. But unfortunately, my local one does not have petite sizes because I'm only 5'2", right? And so what happened? Bad things happened because I went there thinking I already looked online. Okay, this is the suit I want. So I went to the store and they said, oh, I'm sorry. We don't carry petite sizes at the store. You have to get it online. I'm like, I need it tomorrow. And so bad planning on my part, I made a mistake. Okay, so, but I got to fix it. And so what do? I run around the mall looking for stuff and I end up in Macy's. And I've been really trying to avoid Macy's because I don't know what's going on with Macy's. I mean, it's a mess. It's a mess. I go to the petite section. I go to the suit section. It's like, okay, this is not petite. And I'm looking through the racks, which is like really terrible. And it looks like one of the worst Rosses, right? If you go to Ross or TJ Maxx and there's particular ones that you really don't want to walk into because everything's a total mess. Well, it looks like that now. And I don't understand it because if you're going to charge the prices you're charging instead of Ross prices or TJ Maxx prices, have it right, guys. And so finally, I didn't find a suit. Okay, needless to say, I did not find a suit, but I did find slacks and I did find a nice, like a kind of like a jacket, but it's not really a jacket, but something that will go over and it looks nice. Okay, it looks presentable. It looks very businesslike. And I know I have a couple of blouses or shells that I can wear underneath. So I said, okay, good. But I said I'll buy 2 pair of pants, one in navy and one in black. And so just because, okay, just in case, okay? And so I leave the mall, and then when I get home, you know, my husband's already cleaned. I'm like, okay, I gotta iron these pants because this is a mess. And so I hang up my pants. Oh shoot, I forgot to set the timer on this. This thing's got a time limit. Okay, I think I could guesstimate. Anyway, so what happens is that I go to iron the clothes and that stupid tag is on there, that electronic tag. So if you steal it, it goes boo, 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 like that. It's on my black pants, not on my blue one. I could have lived with that because I could always go back another day. But the black pants is what I need for tomorrow. It's on there. I'm like, oh my God. My husband says, let me see that. I'm like, no, please. You're going to end up tearing it. Only thing I can do is I'm near tears at this point, is to go back to the mall. He says, you know what? I'm going to take you to the mall. Come on, I'll drive you. And I'm like, no, because, you know, you're fasting today and, you know, you need to be like really calm and I'm already probably making you crazy. And so, needless to say again, he takes me to the mall. And I get to the mall, and which was pretty easy. I just hopped out of the car right in front of Macy's. I went into Macy's, and I have my receipt. I have everything there. I go directly to the customer service desk. Nobody's there, thank goodness. And so the girl looks at it and says, okay, do you have a receipt? I say, yeah, I have a receipt right here. And she's looking at the receipt. She's looking at the pants. She's looking at the receipt. She's looking at the pants. And I'm like, okay. She says, well, I don't see it on here. I said, yeah, it's on there. Try scanning it. So she said, okay. Why am I telling her this? And so she scans it, this receipt, and then she scans the pants, and she's like, she's looking. All of a sudden, her friend, her coworker, comes over and says, hey, what time are you going to lunch? Yeah, because I got to go to lunch, and and what is your schedule going to be like tomorrow? I'm like, whoa, guys, stop, because I need to go. Y'all messed this up. You need to fix it. And I have to go. And at this point, I had it actually came out like that, I think, right? Maybe not so harsh, but it kind of came out like that. And they're looking at me like, you're like interrupting a conversation. I'm like, seriously? Seriously now. So anyway, finally, she figures out, oh, okay, I got to take this thing off. I said, yeah, this is why I'm here. She said, oh, I'm really sorry that this happened. I'm like, okay, well, can we move? Because of course my husband's just driving in circles in a parking lot waiting for me to come out, right? Because we don't want to park. You can't find parking there. And so finally the girl disconnects it and she's like taking her time folding them. And she's like, give me that. Just stick it in the bag, let me out of here. I'm just gonna iron it anyway. And so needless to say, yep, I got that done, came home, and I said, okay, now I'm like 2 hours behind doing everything I need to do. I need to iron. I need to actually look over my presentation, which was sent to me yesterday. I need to, you know, make sure that I upload 2 videos, which is this one here, and then my other one to reveal the winner for the Christmas in July. So I have a lot to do, guys. And so anyway, yeah, crazy. I'm like, what's wrong with people? I mean, seriously, you're going to say, oh, what are you know, are you going to go, when are you going to lunch? I'm like, yeah, hello? Hello? I'm like right here. It's like, oh my goodness. And, okay, yeah. That's my craziness for the day. But this is not the only crazy that happened today, but that's okay. I'm not going to share the rest with you. So anyway, I think it's been 5 minutes because that's how long this thing is supposed to stay on it. I don't want my face to fall off. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done this one today, having to do that presentation tomorrow. So, okay, cut to the winner. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are today. Today we are here to reveal the winner from the Mask Monday No Mask Day giveaway. And I revealed some of the anniversary sale items to you, or I should say I unboxed them. And so I did go ahead and put a giveaway in there anyway. And so I did go ahead and populate the video URL from that video. I did filter for duplicate users and then filtered comments based on the word anniversary, which was given to you in the video. Okay, and so now what we need to do is find out how many people actually participated. Okay, there's 24, and that's about average for Mask Monday giveaways. So I'm going to go ahead and come on over here and go ahead and start the random drawing. And here we go. Okay, here we go. Peach Rose. Hi, Alexis. I like a good anniversary sale. You can really get some nice stuff. Congratulations to the winner. Bye. Okay, well, let's go ahead, Peach Rose, and see if you are publicly subscribed to me. And let's see. Channels. And let's see if I see me real quick. I mean, instead of going through the whole thing. But, maybe, maybe not. I have to go to the bottom anyway, but sometimes I'll see it and I don't have to go through it all. But I'm going. And I usually miss myself. Oh, but I didn't. There we go. Oh, Modesty, and you are subscribed. So guess what that means? That means you are the official winner. And so as usual, please do reach out to me either by going to my Instagram, and that is Haute, Haute.modesty, or you could go ahead and just use the details tab and scroll all the way down and my email is there. So what you need to do is within 48 hours, reach out to me, say you saw the video, and give me your full name and your mailing address. So congratulations, Peach Rose. And now back to our regular programming. Okay, welcome back and congratulations, Peach Rose. You are the winner for last week's anniversary sale. No Mask Monday giveaway. So do as I ask and let me know that you watched it and send me your name and your address and I'll send your goodies out to you. So anyway, as I was saying, I was kind of nervous there because I started thinking, oh shoot, yeah, why would I do this mask? Because what if I mess this up and I look like, a big tomato or something tomorrow? But it looks like I'm good. And just to make sure that nothing happens, I do follow it up with a neutralizing toner. And what this does is it neutralizes any acidic work so that way it stops it. Even if you don't rinse it off like 100% really good, but I'm really good at rinsing this stuff off. And it is anti-aging and it's also by Dermatology. Great stuff. I love this. I actually use this for other things, not just for neutralizing, but it tightens your skin really nice. Usually in the morning and at night before bed toner, I use a Polish Choice. But other than that, actually when I'm putting on, I need my skin to be really taut. I do like using this one. And also, this here, I do love it. And I've been using this for a while now. And it just smells so good, like pumpkin. And it is enzyme. And I use pretty much, good amount of it. This is one that I keep, around with me. I hope this is still good because it does feel like warm when you first put it on. And I know if it's doing that, it's working. And then you just kind of like rub it in until it's warm. And then leave it on for, I think, 5 to 10 minutes. I want to say, what is that? Oh, it's made in the USA, by the way, guys, and it is clinical grade. It says 10 minutes. Okay, so good. I left it on about that long, I think. So, yeah. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Do try this if you haven't yet, and it's good for all skin types, and I do love it. And it leaves my skin actually feeling like it's done something, right? And I like to really exfoliate. Even though I use a daily exfoliant, I really enjoy this mask a lot. And once I'm out of this, I'll buy it again. Hopefully they'll have it, some other, I like the pumpkin, but I like to try something different. Yeah. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, since I do have a Mask Monday giveaway every Monday, I'm going to go ahead and say, let's say the word is peach, P-E-A-C-H. Peach, okay, because peach rose won. So just use the word peach for next week's giveaway. When you watch this video, leave it in the comments and make sure you hit like, because I think there's some algorithm there, because seems like there's people that enter all the time and they never win. If you forget to hit like, I don't know if this is true, this is my theory, that it's actually not throwing you into the, the possibly win. I don't know. I just make that up, okay? But I don't know why some people just go on and on and on and they never get picked, even when I only have like 20 people. Yeah. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, if I had any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And especially if you like this type of content. And make sure you ring the bell, select all, so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. Unless you're trying to win something, okay? Then you have to do it on time. Alrighty. And a field the roses. Be a wildflower. And never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, this was complete craziness today. I kid you not. I thought I was in Twilight Zone. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I mean, so many things went wrong, right? And it's like, but it was kind of fun at the end. At the moment, I was like, ugh, because, I get this anxiety when I feel like I'm running late. From the moment I woke up this morning, I felt like I was running late. I don't know why that is, but yeah. And then maybe that's what it is. It was my state of mind. I had to really regroup and say, okay, it is what it is. And I don't want to get my husband all excited. And, because he feels bad for me when things like this happen. And I don't know if he had that sense. I came home, he did 3 loads of laundry, did the floors, and he cleaned all the counters. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And that made me feel really guilty because I'm like, I should do that. But then again, I've been asking for a cleaning person forever. So maybe that's his way of saying, no, I'll do it. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for being with me and, sharing my life with me. And so I really do enjoy talking to you guys. I love you all from the very bottom of my left ventricles. And I want you guys to have a great week. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.